Guys, I got a problem. I have a tree that blew over in the storm and it's hanging by, I wouldn't say a thread, but it's hanging kind of by a little small slither. But the bad thing is this thing's about somewhere around 15 feet up to that little area where it's hinged on. And I've got this other dead pine right beside it. And if you look, I'm up in the top of that tree. Now this thing blew over about a month and a half, 2 months ago. And we've had storms come through in the last couple months. And I was hoping it would just come on down and fall. But I've got a problem now. I've got to get this thing down. And I need your help. If you guys will comment below and give me some ideas. Now I've got a tractor, and I can get on the upper side up there above it, but this thing's gonna fall somehow. It's gonna fall, and I'm not sure. I don't know. Let me zoom up and see if you can see. See, it's up in this other tree up there. It's got that tree bent over, and I've got two more dead ones right there too. So I need your help to tell me how to get this tree down. I've thought about tying a chain around right there and getting my tractor and maybe trying to pull, but I'm scared that this thing's gonna shoot down and go through my back or something, you know? And then I thought, well, I could pull it to this way, but I got this dead tree, so if it pops over here and it hits that dead tree and knocks the top out of it, and it comes down and crashes on me, I really, honestly, just do not have an idea how to get this down. And you can, I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna zoom up there, but we'll go around and look from the other direction. Put in the comments, guys, what do I do? I mean, what do I do? Let's walk up here. I'll show you where it's at in this tree. And like I said, I've got a tractor, I've got a chainsaw, but I know some people I know one guy that got killed cutting a tree one time because it come around on him. But see how it's got that tree leaned way over? And the problem is, if this thing falls, it's gonna go across my road. And you guys know, I do a lot of fishing, and the last thing I want is for my road to be blocked at 4:30 in the morning when I've got a fishing trip to go on or a guide trip to do. But you can see up here, I can get to this side, but I've got that dead one there, and I'm up here, and guys, I just don't know what to do. I have no idea how to get this tree down in a safe manner that won't get somebody hurt. And like I say, I've got a couple more pines there that are dead, and I'm scared when this thing comes crashing down. It's so close to those two trees right there, and if you can see those two trees right there, they're right beside it. So when it comes crashing down, if it hits those two trees, where are they gonna go, you know? So I guess I'm in a predicament and I need your help. So if you guys have any idea, if you've got any expertise in this, give me some ideas, and as soon as I read the comments, we're gonna try something. There's a guy down the road about 20 miles, Cotton Top. He's got a YouTube channel, and he does a lot of tree work. He's a logger, and if he sees this, maybe he's got an idea. Maybe he's seen it before. I don't know. But anyway, you guys comment below and give me some ideas. And whatever the best idea is, I guess we'll try that and try to stay safe in doing it. But if you guys can comment, tell me what to do, I would really appreciate it, because I don't want it to fall on my truck, or I don't want it to fall in the road and all that. So I look forward to all the comments, and maybe we can get this thing down tomorrow, or you know, next week. We may leave the video up for a couple weeks until we can get some good ideas and then start from there. Thanks, guys.